Orris balcony is located at a height of 1,870 meters. It's also known as the President Balcony, and it offers a spectacular panoramic view of the southern side of the Eastern Pyrenean foothills, where you can see the Tossa Massif, the Muixeró mountain range, the eastern end of the Cadí mountain range, Pedraforca mountain, and Encisia mountain range from the closer to the farther. The black pine is the main tree of the zone, as it's the only tree that can grow at this height. If we are lucky, from the balcony we can also gaze at the flight of raptor birds, such as the vultures and the ospreys. By the boardwalk, it's also possible to see over the pines the crossbills, which are common in the area.